Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'll show you how to contact Stripe support in just a few minutes. This step-by-step guide will help you connect with Stripe customer service and get the help you need without any hassle. Whether you want to reach Stripe live chat support, email support, or learn how to use the Stripe Help Center, I'll walk you through the process clearly. First, open your browser and go to stripe.com. the official Stripe website. Always make sure you're on the correct site to keep your information secure. At the top right of the homepage, click the Sign In button. Enter your registered email and password, then click Sign In again to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner and find the Help icon. It usually looks like a question mark. Click on it to open Stripe's support options. From the drop-down menu, click on Support Center. Here you'll find articles, FAQs, and guides for common issues like Stripe Payment account verification problems, refunds, or payout delays. But if you need direct help, scroll down and click on Contact Support. This option is available if you're using a live Stripe account. You'll be asked to pick a topic that best matches your issue, such as billing, payouts, integrations, or technical support. This ensures your request is directed to the right Stripe support team. Stripe also offers live chat support and email support, depending on your account type. If chat is available, you'll see it right on the support page. If not, you can submit a request, and Stripe will email you with updates. If you're on a test account, you may not see the option to contact live support, but don't worry. The Support Center is full of useful resources that can solve most issues, from API integration errors to declined payments. And that's how you contact Stripe support quickly and effectively.